My name is Shiva Chavoshian and this is Learning Tazhib channel. I will teach Islamic Illumination in this channel regularly, step by step, and I hope you will enjoy it. In Islamic art, everything is part of a circle. Circle is the symbol of divinity and integrity. Your first sketching has to be drawn with minimum pressure on the paper, since you will be editing things quite a lot and frequently, and your hands will getting ready for the next steps, such as keeping the brushes. With all this said, for learning Islamic Illumination, you need to learn how to draw a circle in a blink of an eye. And all you need to do so is a piece of paper and a pencil. Start drawing circles in different sizes. And what really matters at this point is practicing regularly. You yourself can see your progress after some days of practicing. And that is the time you are ready to start learning flowers. Bye for now.